Hi, I'm Kalisa Marie, and today we are going to be working with rhubarb. Rhubarb is actually one of the first fruits of spring. It's technically a vegetable, but because of its tart sourness, it's usually treated like a fruit, and it makes great jams and pies and other desserts. And today we are going to be celebrating the start of spring with a rhubarb gin and tonic. The first step is to make a rhubarb simple syrup. First, we take about half a pound of rhubarb, dump it into our pot, get all of it, and then we are going to add about a cup of water, and then equal parts sugar. Get that in. And now the last piece to our simple syrup is some lime juice. We want about 2 tablespoons, and this lime's pretty big, so let's see how much we can get out of it. 1. Boom, we're so good. All right, now bring it up to a simmer and let it bubble away for about 15 minutes. We want it to totally break down and release its flavor into the simple syrup, and it'll make the simple syrup a bright shade of pink, which is really pretty. All right, this has been simmering for about 15 minutes and the rhubarb has broken down and all the flavors have been infused into our simple syrup. So let's strain it out. Whatever you do, do not throw out the solids because you can stir that into your oatmeal, top yogurt. It's delicious. Believe me, you'll want to keep it. Let's build our cocktail. Fill your glass all the way up with ice. Nice. And then to it, just gonna add everything in. We have 2 ounces of our gin. And then 2 ounces of our rhubarb simple syrup that we just made and cooled down. Yummy. Nice. Now, we are just gonna top it with some tonic. About 3 ounces, but you can add as much or as little as you like. Take 2. Next, we're just gonna top it off with some tonic. You can add as much or as little as you like. About 3 ounces is the level of sweetness that I like. Now we just give it a stir. And then last touches, garnish with a slice of lime, and then 1 last squeeze of lemon. Oh, lime, this is a lime. You get all these essential oils on the outside, just rub that on the rim. And that's it. It's so good. And gin and tonics are always delicious. Delicious. But with our rhubarb simple syrup, it adds this tart sweetness that's perfect for spring. Cheers.